I'm in New York. Oh my gosh, my camera's about to die. But y'all, me and mama made it to New York. Today is Tuesday, September 12th. So let me just give y'all a rundown. Oh, let me give y'all an intro first. So what's good, poppin'? It's your girl Blue Bougie. I'm here with a new video. If you're a new video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Proud of family. Subscribe. Because if you don't want to see me now, you're gonna want to see me later. Also, make sure you hit that post notification to be notified every time I post or upload a new video, because your girl's here with the videos. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media so you can see what I'm doing, when I'm doing it, how I'm doing it, and why I'm doing it, because I'm that girl. And yeah, so y'all, let me just give y'all a rundown. So I was supposed to meet mama yesterday or something. Never did. I had ended up getting to her around like 12 something. So I got to her. I didn't literally mama was asleep when I got to her, but I ended up waking her up when I came because the dog started barking. I had like an hour to sleep. So I didn't even get that hour to sleep. It was like 30 minutes, not even. So we got up around like 3 because we had to leave for the airport at 4 because we had to be on the plane by 5:20. So we was on the plane. We left at 6. Got there. We had to be literally on the plane at 5:20. Hold on, y'all. My camera about to die. Yeah, we literally had to be on the plane. We literally had to be on the plane at 5:20. Or just like that's the time they was letting everybody on. So we was on the plane. And then got on the plane. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I was nervous because like I never been on a plane before. That was my first time ever being on a plane. I was scared. Like I need to stop watching the movies because it's not as bad as you think. Like exaggerate stuff so bad. Like I literally like was panicking. Like I was like panicking because I didn't know what was going on. I knew what was going on, but I was just nervous. But other than that, I did really good. I fell asleep. Mama was like, I doubt you're gonna go to sleep. I went to sleep. So the first flight, we had layover. So the first flight was from Orlando to Atlanta. And that was like a good hour and 5 minutes. And then we had to go from Atlanta to whatever this is. So we ended up getting there. So right now I am in Rome, upstate Rome, New York. I am here. That flight took like an hour and 30 minutes. It didn't even seem that long. So we got here fast. We ended up landing early. It was a little bumpy, but other than that, it was good. I knocked out. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like the best sleepers on the plane. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. The best sleepers on the plane, for real. But yeah, I got an appointment to go get my toes done. So I'm about to go do that, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all while I'm going to get my toes done. Alright, so we are back from getting my toes done. Let me show you guys real quick. Yeah, you know my ashy feet, but these are what my toes look like. She could have did better, but oh well, I can fix that up later. But I want to show you guys. So we're at Graham's house. Graham is mom's mom. So that's her grandma. So that's my great grandma. We're at her house. She has a 3-story house. So we have the living room area downstairs. I think it's a bedroom down there. And then you got the basement, you got the downstairs area, then you got this area. It has its own kitchen and everything, and it's a kitchen downstairs too. I want to show you guys. So, look. That's mama room. This is like the living room area. The kitchen right here. Extra bedroom. Bathroom. Like the little kitchen area. And then this is where I'm at. I'm in here. So this is a closet right here. Closet already unpacked. This is another closet. Dresser. And yeah. So, like I was saying, I already unpacked. I do need to start. What time is it? Okay, I do need to start editing this vlog so I can get it up for you guys tomorrow. Not this vlog, a whole nother vlog, so I can get it up for you guys tomorrow. So yeah. Oh, so I know that you guys had seen that I had went to Sally's, so I ended up getting some more lashes because I don't know, I just love me lashes because why not? So I got the lash strip, the 3D drama with the wet effect. I don't know, I just love me a wet look. I don't know, on my eyes, I just love a wet look. So I got these in the style Icy, these Kiss lashes. Y'all, I love me a wet look. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. A wet look has me in a chokehold, 100%. And then I got this super strong. I got this super strong strip lash adhesive glue. Cause y'all, if you can't see it, my eyelash is falling off. So, and I didn't even think about bringing eyelash glue because I thought I had some in my bag, but I didn't. So, yeah. So I had got this, I brought this. So, while I bought it, my total came out to being, oh, here it is. Yeah, $14.55. So, yeah. Mama went grocery shopping while I was getting my feet done and ended up getting me something to drink. This kombucha. So I'm about to test it out right quick. Alright, y'all. It is the next day. And it is, what time is it? Wednesday, September 13th. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see. Wednesday, September 13th. And we are about to go shopping. I just got out the shower. I ate breakfast. For breakfast, I had banana bread and pineapples. But yeah, so as of right now, I'm getting dressed. Well, I'm lotioning my body down. I'm lotioning my body down because it's cold out here. It's not cold, but it's cold. Like the height is gonna be 72. For a Floridian, that's cold. Anything under that is cold. So yeah, but like I said, I'm lotioning my body down so my skin doesn't get dry from the water, me taking showers all the time, and then the weather. But yeah, we didn't really do too much yesterday. Yesterday we went to my Aunt Trish's bar and we just hung out. So it was really nothing to record. You know, I was trying to enjoy my first day with some of the fam. And I have a camera all in their face because Lord knows I will do that. So I've decided this is what I'm wearing. Some, what are these from? Fashion Nova? Who knows where these pants are from? But these ripped jean pants with this sweatshirt because it's chilly outside. That's what I'm wearing. I don't know. I didn't bring an extra pair of slides. Well, an extra pair of sandals. But I brought slides, but I could just go buy some. That's not hard to do. I was like, why is it not focusing? I can go buy some, so yes, let me go ahead and get dressed, and then I'm just gonna do my makeup and stuff and let y'all watch. So yeah.
Came in with a F-fans, two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends, already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now. I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friends. Shit ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me this ain't something that you do often. I can't say the same, so use caution. Just saying, came in with an FN. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Two at a time laying in my bed. One at the top and the other giving head. Girl on girl, I love the taste. You can run around, I love the chase. If you need a break cause you thirsty, don't trip cause I know you're burning up. She said she love me but she want her to fuck it up. 11-11. Maybe make a wishing, I'ma do what you want. Ain't no more intermission, I'm tryna see what you want. Just came in with an FN. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Drunk and nasty, wanna get drunk and nasty, yeah. 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 Wanna get drunk and nasty.
Y'all, mama don't want to be in the camera. She said, oh, we're vlogging that we're at Walmart. But we're at Walmart because I have to get an SD card and probably some headphones. Oh, it's still open. But we just ate dinner. We really ain't do nothing today besides the Applebee's. We took Grams to lunch at Applebee's. And then we came back home. Their Walmart is so different. Y'all, look at this Walmart. Ooh.
Sorry.
That is Walmart. It's so different. This is the pharmacy.
Being remodeled.
Oh.
You didn't see the sign on the door?
No. I'm talking crap. But yeah, after this, Mama about to go to the gym. She's about to get her gym on. And I'm gonna edit because I have a video that you guys get today. So I have to finish editing it and then I have to upload it. Graham said it's gonna get cold, so it's supposed to get to what, 40 something she said? Yeah. Oh my goodness. I need to text Mark and see if they got these in Florida. So we can get, oh, that's pretty. They would be over here.
It should be over here. Where is it? I don't see it.
Oh, Mama found it.
256 gigabytes.
Oh, they gotta unlock it. You bitch. Okay, y'all. So Mama's inside tanning, and I didn't go inside. She asked me if I wanted to go to the gym while she tanned, but I didn't bring no clothes for the gym or tanning, so. But I did buy a micro USB cable. Oh, y'all sliding. I bought a cable because I guess the charger that I brought for my battery pack is not charging it, so I just bought a new one just in case it was something wrong with that one. And I think that one is physically from my handheld light, so we will see. And it needs to be charged anyway. But other than that, I bought this. And then y'all, let me tell y'all the gag. Content creators. What that say? 512. I didn't know there was 512 gigabytes on the damn SD card. Nobody told me that. So now I know to go ahead and spend that $40. Like, nobody ever told me that. I never knew that. I was looking, I seen the 40 and I seen a 200 and a 36. That I looked up and it said 512. Oh, baby. You ain't got to tell me once or twice. This is my new go-to. And I bought it because I didn't want to run out of storage out here. So I just bought it. Yeah, let's have a Beyonce moment. But yeah, because I didn't know what all we was going to be doing or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to talk about, I don't want you to be bored. Bored. No kids. No dogs. No man. I mean, don't get me wrong, I miss all of them. But I could sleep as long as I want to. I'm in heaven. I am in heaven. I like my makeup that I did. Basic cute orange. I was just trying to match my top, really. But yeah, that's all I bought from Walmart. Hopefully it works. I'll open it. I'll open this up when I get back to the house. I'm probably not gonna open this until I like completely run out of storage. So yeah, but I'm making my brand a flyer. I got distracted by a video. Yeah, I never rode on an airplane before, so for me to actually get on an airplane, for mama to convince me to get on an airplane, something's different. Like, y'all, mama really convinced me to get on the airplane. I gotta insert y'all the clip because I don't know, I panicked. When I say panic, I panicked. I was laughing and crying at the same time and everything. It just, yeah, no, I was so scared. Like, I ain't know what to do, but yeah, but I'm gonna talk to y'all probably when we get back to the house. We were supposed to go shopping. We didn't even go shopping because we got, mama had therapy or whatever, so we probably gonna go shopping, but I'm gonna keep y'all posted. As of right now, it is 6:48 and it is 65 degrees. So, yeah. Second day down. So what, we leave? Today's what, Wednesday? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 6 more days left, so let's go. Yo, don't even judge, but good morning. It is the next day. It is Thursday. I think it's the 14th. And we are going shopping. We didn't go shopping yesterday because we went out to lunch, and by the time we came back, mama had an important, excuse me, an important phone call. So she just went ahead and did that. Where's my light? Look how long this charger is. So I'm about to get dressed. I don't know what I want to wear though. What I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear that. I feel like I have no clothes. I feel like I wear the same thing all the time. So I'm just gonna wear this right here. So I'm gonna put the rest of these clothes up. And then I'm just gonna get my day started. Y'all look a mess. That's how you know I slept good. So yeah. Alright y'all, so this is what I'm wearing. Basic. I know y'all like, girl, why do you have on those shoes with that shirt? But it's the only shoes I brought. So I got to deal with it. No more at this point. I'm sorry to get a new hairstyle. But I'm gonna close this shirt up, this jacket up, because it is cold outside. I know y'all like, why do you even have that on if it's cold? I did this in middle school. It would be so cold and I'd be having on booty shorts and a crop top. So yeah, I'm about to put on my accessories.
Catch me in the whip, ride with him. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Pray you get that job in time for. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. This shit right now. I'm so busy for this shit right now. Don't want to talk about this shit right now.
Alright y'all, we made it back to Graham's house, or as you would say, back home. We did a lot of shopping today. So first thing we did was, I got up, like I said, we was going shopping, y'all. We was walking around or whatever. You know, we had went to Express. I didn't really anything in there that I had liked. And then we went to Charlotte Russe. Y'all know me. Y'all, I got so many outfits. But yeah. So let me just go through these. So I got it was an outfit, y'all. I think this is the top. Yes, y'all, I love brats. Like, I love brats. And they had a Powerpuff Girls one too. But I was like, it's either brats or Powerpuff Girls. Mom was like, definitely brats. So I got this. Let me just try this stuff on for y'all. Hold on. Okay, so this is what the brat one looked like. It's giving, and it has pockets, y'all. It's cozy. It feels good. And this is in a large. Like, I love that baggy sweat look. Like, it gives every time to me. Like, yeah, this is it. This is her. Y'all stop playing. Yeah, this is it. And I think both of these, you gotta buy them separate. And then, yo, this is me all day. Yeah, let me try on the other ones. Okay, this is what I got from Charlotte Rush. This is actually cute. And it's giving like, it's cute. It's giving, what's the era? Okay, I figured out the name. It's giving Y2K. Yeah, it's giving Y2K. Like, ouch. That's what it's giving. It's giving Y2K. Yeah, that's why I bought it. And it's cold, so yeah. But let me try on these sweatpants. The tags are still in them and everything. I didn't take the tags off yet. They said that this is in an extra large. Yo. But they said this is a small, so I guess they tagged this wrong. I don't know, but this is cute and it's giving. So I don't know. Somebody tagged something wrong because this says a small and the rest of it says extra large. But it's fitting me, so I don't know. But yeah, this is from that last outfit was a small too. So, let me try on these shorts and then we're gonna go from there. And then these are the shorts. These are in a small too. It's the same thing as the sweatpants, but just in shorts. These are cute, y'all, and everything is comfy. Like, so comfy. And these are all on sale. That's why I love Charlotte, bro. Yeah. So let's look at these shoes.
Stomp. She doing all stomp.
Okay. So the shoes were buy one, get one free. So that's why I did. So Mama picked out these. These are some cute flip-flops. Like, these are cute. See? Very cute. These were a size 7. See? And then Mama had picked out these. These are very cute as well too. Like when I don't want to dress up and wear heels, I can wear loafers. Those are cute. And then y'all know I had to get me some heels. I didn't even try them on, so I don't even know. I got them in black and I got them in pink. See?
They're so cute.
Y'all know me, I love square. Y'all know I love square toe heels. But y'all, I don't know, these just did something to me. You know how ashy I am, but these are the shoes, y'all. You cannot tell me these are not cute. Like, these are cute. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. So cute. And then again, I did get them in pink as well. So, yeah. Going ahead and add these to my bookshelf, my heel collection. So, yeah. Let me show y'all the rest of the stuff I got. Okay. Then I ended up buying these slides from Champions. Y'all, they were like going for like $20, $25. I only got them for $10. They were on sale. Y'all, when I say these are so cute. Like, these are cute. These are cute. But yeah. Got those. What else I got? Then we went to Victoria's Secret. And I got the pink body lotion, shaved cinnamon, pumpkin cream, marshmallow fluff, essential oil, body mist. Let's see. And then I got the lotion. It smells so good. When I say so good, I mean so good. I think this is gonna be my new signature smell at the club. Oh my God, it smells so good. Like it gives pumpkin spice vibes. Yeah. And then I got the Very Sexy Sea perfume. This smells really good too. It smells really good. So I got that. That's gonna be like my grown woman date night smell. Then they had this thing to where if you purchase anything over $85 with a $45 value, you can get a free bag. Mama didn't want it, so she gave it to me. It's very big, so yeah. And then, oh, and we bought a new suitcase because I got more stuff knowing it's not gonna fit in my suitcase, so so, yeah, that's everything we bought. I'm about to edit this YouTube video that I was supposed to upload yesterday that I never did. So I'm about to edit that so I can try to get that uploaded today and go from there. It's a little bit later. We're supposed to be going somewhere at 4:30. So, yeah, I want to hurry up and get that done with so I can just, y'all know my ashiness, but I want to get that done so I can have that uploaded. We can go on and be good with that. So yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit when I guess we're heading over to Aunt and Uncle's house. Oh my gosh, I know the quality is bad, but I'm trying to talk while the sun is still out. But we end up staying, it's the next day, we end up staying the night at my Aunt Trisha's house. We left from Aunt Marie and Aunt Jeff's house yesterday, and we came over here. We just ended up staying the night. We had fun. We had pizza and wings or whatever. I was cracking them up. We had fun. But I'm in my cousin's room. It's giving boy vibes real bad. But yeah, I talked to him yesterday on FaceTime. Talked to his brother Nicholas. We didn't go to bed till like 12:01. And I'm literally up. I already had my cup of coffee and that's done with. What time is it? It's 10:57. I'm sitting here watching YouTube videos on my iPad. We're supposed to be going back to Graham's, but I'm just chilling, resting up. We always drank last night. I don't even want to show y'all that video, but yeah. What I was about to say, like I said, we supposed to be going some more forward. I don't know, yo. I'm not from New York, so I don't know. Then they were chewing me out on my aunts. All my aunts love my boyfriend. Why? That's weird. I mean, I don't know, but we supposed to be going up in the mountains or whatever, so hopefully we have fun doing that. But today is Friday, September 15th. So, yeah. I just drank this coffee now. I feel like I got caterpillars on my teeth. I'm ready to brush. I know I got coffee breath, so. But yeah, I'm ready to get in the shower and get dressed so we can start our day. So, yeah, I apologize if my quality is bad. I ended up leaving my camera at home, so I'm on my phone. But, yeah. So, I'm going to talk to y'all, I guess, when I get the grams or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Y'all, we made it back home. We're going hiking. I literally have on anything. I don't care. We're going hiking, so... yeah, I done took a shower, brushed my teeth, everything. So, Mama said we're going hiking, so I guess we're going hiking. Grandma, you said y'all got bears and moose, and you about to sit out here.
They won't bother me if they do come around. They're more afraid of me than I am of them. Ooh, I got no stuff.
Me neither. It is. No. Mom. Oh, they can go down there. I'm not going up. They went that way. Look.
We'll get into some kind of poison something and
Y'all, the way I'm going down this. Oh, there's one on this side, Mom. Look. Oh, this is beautiful. Mama said this water clean. Oh, I almost fell. Yeah, Mama said this water clean. This look dirty as.
well, the bottom's gonna have dirt and stuff.
Mama, don't fall. Y'all, Mama got me out here with no service. We can't even call the police if we need to.
If we don't need the police, what do we need the police out here?
What if I fall in the water?
Oh, look at this big building.
That's huge. We ain't got alligators, so it's not like I'm gonna get eaten alive.
They do have Loch Ness monster stuff here.
Grandma is coming. I asked that. You coming? Yeah, look at Graham.
She said she's pulling it earlier.
Look at the tweez. I just got done
It's right there.
I just got done telling. Yeah, I just got done telling Grandma about the story when Mama sent me to camp. How old was I, Mama?
Like 16, 15.
And she was telling Grandma that I cried. Y'all, I never been on a canoe in my life before. And they told us the only way we can get to the campsite is to go down this river with alligators in it and this small behind canoe. You ain't gonna cry either? And Mama just laughing at you. Bye, honey. Have a nice... What? I was so mad. Oh,
You
Grandma.
got away from all the other kids.
I did. They used to stress me out.
Yeah. You needed to do something on your own.
Look at the water. We're leaving Graham. Welcome to Delta Lake. That's what it says. Welcome to Delta Lake. It says no swimming, but it's people out here in bathing suits. Yeah, her and the dog in the water. And then they over here. I guess we just breaking the rules. Nope. I'd rather go back to the waterfall. Okay, they got me where there's no service. Like, I mean, it's service, but it's not like really good. But it is 3:27, and we are at a vegetable stand. Ground wanted to see if they had some good tomatoes. So we should be on our way back to the house to be getting ready because we're supposed to be going to see some band or whatever with Aunt Trish and them. So that's what we're about to do. But y'all, when I say the falls was so beautiful, the falls was so freaking beautiful. Like, and tomorrow we're supposed to go to Niagara Falls. So yeah, I'm very excited. So what, today is Friday, right? What is today? Yeah, today's Friday. So Saturday we supposed to be going to Niagara Falls, and then when so we have 4 days left. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, 4 days left. Well, we leave Tuesday around like 3 something, so I'm not gonna get home till about 10 at night. So, but still, I'm having a really good time out here. I'm ready to travel the world. This is another vacation that I needed. So, yeah. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when we either get at the house getting ready or we're probably in at the band. So, yeah.
Small iced pumpkin spice latte with almond milk, please.
Got it. Will that be all?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Your total is $23.13.
There you go. And then our donut.
Thank you, Mama. All right. This is a NASCAR driver, Grandma. She's never gonna put you on harm's way. All right, y'all. It is the next day. Oh, this is loud. It is Saturday, September 16th. It's basically 1 o'clock. It's 12:59, but y'all, I'm on the phone with Apple and I'm so annoyed. I've been on the phone for 9 minutes on hold, waiting. Like, I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to be able to get my other phone fixed because I haven't been on Instagram because I forgot my password and I can't remember if my old Gmail is on it. Like, I'm just annoyed. But like I said, it is the next day, y'all. It was like so much going on last night. I didn't really record that much. And Brittany.
Hi, Brittany. How are you doing?
Alright, y'all, so today is Sunday. We got literally, what time is it? I don't know. What freaking time is it? Sunday, September 17th. We are going to Uncle Mark's and Aunt Lisa's house to eat. So this is the outfit I'm wearing. Literally, I'm wearing this and probably some slides. I don't know, but yeah. So I guess I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get there. I don't know. I might touch up some makeup or whatever. I don't know. Probably not. But yeah. Y'all, when I sound so ready to eat a new hairstyle, I am ready. to get a new hairstyle. Like, I might cry. For real. Oh, that is so close. Alright, y'all, so it is a little bit later. We ended up eating dinner and dessert. When I say ate, I ate. We went to their house and we had a good little time. I played with their dog Buddy. He is so cute. Let me show y'all. When I say me and Buddy had fun. It was so fun, but yeah. So it is 8:55, going on 9 o'clock. I'm sorry if you hear anything. I have the windows up. But I'm literally laying in bed watching YouTube videos. I'm watching Reginae Destiny right now. But I am about to... reply to some comments on my YouTube channel. And then I'm about to... edit a reel on my iPad if I can find it. I just had it. I'm about to edit a reel on so I can have videos for you guys to upload. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do that, and then we're just gonna vibe out. Okay, you guys, it is officially our last day here. It is Monday, September 8th. So I'm just about to go ahead. I been editing some of this video. I literally have a whole bed full of clothes that I need to put in a suitcase and finish packing. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna time lapse and let you guys watch me, because I don't want to pack tomorrow. I just want to be ready to go and get done. You get what I'm saying? Like, be ready to just walk out the door. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to clean up this room and pack and whatever. And then I'm about to get in the shower and get ready for bed. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I've been sitting here. I started editing last night, this vlog, and I'm finishing up. So yeah, Mama already sent me our tickets. She already sent our tickets, so hopefully everything go good with that. And plus, we're riding Delta, so we get fed on the plane. I ordered shrimp something. I'm gonna ask what I wanted, so I ordered shrimp something. So yeah, I'm not gonna get home to about 10 something, like I said that, but let me go ahead and get started before it gets too late, so I can already be in bed. It's 8:07, so I want to be in bed by at least 9, 10, watching YouTube videos, getting comfortable. So yeah, but the family had came. We didn't really do anything too much today. The family had came over, you know, to say our farewells and goodbyes, or see you later. Some people say see you later. They came over. I had a wonderful time here, guys. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I had a wonderful time. This is something that I will do again. Yeah, I got stuff all over the floor. This stuff all over the floor. So yeah, let me get started, and we're gonna talk after I'm done. show y'all. Grandma had bought us flowers, y'all. Look how pretty these flowers are. Like, you cannot tell me these are not pretty. So me and Mama decided, because we can't take them with us, we decided that we're going to put them all in one vase and just give them back to her. Like, these are so pretty, and they smell so good. Like, I love the smell of flower. Alright, you guys, I am all packed up. It is our last day here. I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me down in the comment section below which part you like the most. I've had a wonderful time in upstate New York. I will be back because my family up here is very funny and wild. And I love it. That's my type of tea party. But yeah, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that post notification to be notified every time I post and upload a new video. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media so you can see what I'm doing and what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and why I'm doing it. And please subscribe. Without further ado, I love you guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.
Get it. I bought for 16, passing the ditch of D5. No, that's not a challenger. I get some members with me in the fridge, get coat seats, they some cannibals. They like to geek, drink a whole